Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed yet before, thank you and God bless you. My people. Another story don't come out again. This one about marriage. I don't understand the way some of our ladies, the way some of our women, the way that they take this marriage thing to be. I don't really understand. I don't really talk to our ladies. I'm really here for them. Because some of our ladies, they are really getting this marriage thing. They are really getting it wrong. They don't really understand this marriage or these marriage things. Marriage not be do or die. If you see, say where you dey, you are not happy, the man is not giving you happiness, leave the marriage. You go come out, my dear. Marriage not be do or die something. You understand? Marriage not be do or die. You must not die before that man go love you. A man where they cheat on you, I don't believe say he love you now. If he love you, for not the cheat on you. If for not the cheat on you at all. If he love you, that man no go cheat on you. You understand? I know that is okay. See one way happen now. This woman, because he catch a husband, they go pregnant another girl for her side. This woman just decide to take poison. She die. She just decided to commit suicide. That is, I don't understand. What could make you kill yourself, madam? This one just happened last week for Italy. What could make you kill yourself? Or because you catch your husband, they sleep with another woman, or you because you give another woman belly. You never wish for you to kill yourself, my dear. Kill yourself for waiting. What you leave the children for now? You never think about your children before you go they commit suicide. You don't think what will happen. You just go commit suicide all because the man they go pregnant to another woman. And so it's not the end of the world, my dear. It's not the end of the world. As you see what they do. Maybe before he even go give that girl belly. He thought they go they see the girl ever since now. You thought they go they see him. So what will come make you kill yourself? I know say maybe you don't be here with this man ever since. The man don't they shit on you. You know if you bear him again. You leave him. Mr. Why you kill yourself? Why you kill yourself? What you leave your children for? You want to leave your children for the girl now we get belly now? I don't understand. Must you kill yourself because of a man? That man go to love you. I don't understand. I don't just really understand. Must you kill yourself? Now killing that be the mating. Now killing that be the solution. As you can't die now. Where you say you they go now? Air fire direct. Now you they go. Because you commit suicide. I mean, you say you they go heaven. How you kill yourself? Because of one man? May really deserve all those things to really kill yourself for. They deserve them. Not only the man be the man where did this world. Where you go kill yourself. Not only one, now can be the man where did this world. Now where be say you not gonna fit again. You can say now killing. Now it better pass. Why you kill yourself? Before that man, before you marry that man, you don't feel the shit on you. Okay, I believe say feel the shit on you. Before una can't even come marry. So what will make you feel say the man will change? A man where they cheat, he can never change. He can never change. You for not die. Die not be the main thing. Now so one first thing happened that day for Africa where they say the man too he go the woman too go take this snapper go kill himself too, all because of waiting, all because of man. The man dey alive. I see am that day, they groove with his friends, they drink. That one wey happen for Africa. The man dey enjoy himself. Oh, know how many girls you don't even carry ever since. And that one you want die for? That is. They forbid if the man die for you. Which you will go they die? All because of one man. So many women they that will be say they are just dying in silence. They just they saw the name of say many people they say they marry, whereas they are not happy. Why will you kill yourself? Why will you kill yourself? Now dying might be the solution? No. The man can never change for what he be. They take by the grace of God for some of them to even change. If you not change, marriage not be do or die something. Marriage not be what you die for. See one that day. This one, he can't cash in with his husband. They bed. They bed, they sleep. The man suffer come out, go receive a girlfriend call for corner. He go receive a girlfriend call. He dey sitting room. If they receive the call, a woman dey bed dey sleep. You know say a woman now, you know say maybe she don't put hand for this thing now for bed. He say the man not dey bed again because I may look for and go sitting room. He can't cash and with the man they play love with another girl for phone. If they play love with another girl for phone, she catch the man red-handed. So what are we not talking about here? The man not love you. He not love you. I believe that one of the height of it. That is the insult way past that thing. I be my people. The insult part two not there. The insult way past that one. That one at in fact the people where they speak English will say this one at the height of it. Now I tell the woman, what you can't do? He say, what you go do? You don't beg him. See, what he make you feel say that man no go do her next time? The girl where they play love with, you don't leave her. You never leave her. You go just there they be. The man go change. The man go change. I want to change. How? I want to change. It take by the grace of God. A man will not give you happiness. That one are the highest insults now. You can't catch your husband. They receive another woman call. That means the man not even value you. In fact, the man not love you. And I pretend they just deal with you. Because I believe say if you love them, and they say that night they don't jogo though, they don't enjoy themselves. It still feel go they play love with another girl for phone. So say you know they enjoy you, my dear. Enjoyment not there. You know they enjoy you. Now it make you say if they go they play love with another girl for phone. That will not be love. He beg you. You forgive him. Tomorrow, you go still do the worst. So what do you go do? Is marriage do or die something? I know say marriage is good, make woman marry. But if you don't work out, are you going to kill yourself? What do you do? What do you go do? For you to there, they die in silence, that the man is not giving you happiness. Nothing like happiness for this world. The man is not giving you happiness. Nothing. You leave him. Yes. Leave the marriage. Because maybe that man will not be your husband. Because impatient when they worry we women, now make they fall for the wrong people and impatient with the warriors. Now make you say with they fall for the wrong people and the main man was supposed to marry us go they corner the wait, but you go date another man as the suffer there. Immediately you come out, you see the right man will come marry you. Really, the right man he go come marry you. Some go just dey sass with man, the man not they able to talk to them, not they play with them. You can never ever say man they follow you, they play. You know those kind of play now. Where man go just they follow you now, just the G's they play. Some women not they get them. Some women are not getting it. They are just there because they I marry. You know, be like say people will say I'm not married. I just did there, but happiness, you know, they get them. You know, they get them. I don't understand how we go they talk to this our ladies. May they really they get the thing. Marriage is not do or die something. If it's not working out, it's not working out. If it still work, it's still good. But if you not work, my dear, You cannot force the man to love you when the love is not there. You cannot force him. You know, if you force man may marry you, my dear. You know, if you force man make he love you. If he not love you, he not love you. I don't understand. Eh? See, this our sister now will just die now. Okay, your children, you don't even reason them because your man go give another woman belly. Then you die for. Then you go die for. Ladies, I beg. Make, if you are not happy for where you did, not let anybody tell you say they there they be around. My dear, you just dead there. You just dead they die. The man go dead there they enjoy himself they go. Please make una they behave well. Dying not be the main thing. How you go die because of man? God forbid. May God not let me die because of one man. Why? Why I go die? Until waiting. Why I go die? Eh? I just want to do this video. Mate advise our ladies. So many will be say they see the situation will be say they know they get happiness from their man. Ask him, my dear. You should still not beside prison ID. You should say this one I love. Some just they because they marry, they know they go out again. They know they go anywhere again. They just they ass. If the man say sit down for them, go sit down. Or because you want to obey him, make you not drive him. Because you don't make yourself available to the man. Say you know, say na be your end of the world. So you not get where they go again. So if he use you as he like, really. Eh? I don't just understand the way some ladies, the way they say they behave. Really, I don't really understand. I beg. If marriage no work out, go your own, wanna go na own separate way. Marriage is not by force. Marriage not be the what did they make una? What did they make una they be all those things all because may they not call you single mother. May they not call you this. My dear, if you don't work out, you can't be single mother tomorrow. Nah, as God wants him, because you never see your right husband, because your right husband, they come and they wait for you. But you did there, they die, all because of one man. Please, don't die because of any man. Don't die. Let the man die because of you. Not be you go die because of him. So thank you, everybody. Outing, I come your way. Next time, I remain Lady J. And subscribe for my YouTube and like my videos. And anything, this video when I do now, if you not like them and do not see the way I talk, it makes sense. Make una comment for the comment section for YouTube there. So thank you, everybody, and take care and bye.